to my video tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you on how to use geometry nodes in Blender. We've got different tools in Blender, but today I'm focusing on geometry nodes. Basically, geometry nodes these are tools for producing 3D graphics in Blender. Yes, you can make imaginary real world objects. Yes, you can design by use of different modifiers that are inbuilt. For instance, these are some of the works that have been producing using geometry nodes. Yes, if you click on Z on your keyboard, you can see beautiful things. Yes, and for instance, these are also some of the works that I've been making on geometry nodes. And if you check on how we got even this one, beautiful things. Yeah, if you press on Z on keyboard, you can access as well as these are the you can render objects. Yeah, you can do whatever that you like. You can design with use of different by joining geometry trees. Yeah, with through modifiers to generate what we call geometry nodes. Actually, geometry nodes is to start with first shift A on your keyboard. Let's get mesh. You can type what is called quadratic item. Okay, on cube. Okay, click new. Just this one. Okay, shift A on your keyboard. Quadratic Bezier. Quadratic Bezier. You join curve to geometry. Right. Once you've joined curve to geometry, you can see this is your quadratic Bezier. Shift A on your screen. Curve to mesh. Circle. Okay. You join profile. I'm going to join profile to curve. Yeah. Now you can see on our viewport and see our image is visible. We tap to object mode. Set position. Set position. Plug it inside there. Next things, we are going to increase the texture by adding Shift A, noise texture, set texture, offset, join color, offset, right, okay, next, Shift A on your keyboard, set curve radius, set curve radius, okay, here, you can increase the size of your radius, the resolution, keep it 10, radius, you can increase or lower, right, 1, perfect, French, French to radius, change to radius. Okay, you can keep on adjusting the values. Increase this one. Transform. Okay. Okay, let's make some adjustment. So I'm going to increase it in size. 3.5, 3.1. The rest, add a flow, Shift M, mesh to plane, scale your plane, right, side size, middle mouse, object, Shift D duplicate, D duplicate, Shift D, Shift highlight everything. Okay, wonderful. This is ice creams. Yes, these are ice creams. Maybe to you can as well as we can duplicate. Highlight everything. Shift D. Make as many trays as possible. Let's make 4. Right. Okay, these are our ice creams. Right. Color. The colors of our floor. Okay. Out of this color one. Get to shader editor. Give it a different color. Give it a different color. Okay. Roughness. Reduce the roughness. Hit tab on the rendering. Circle. The CPU. Z on your screen. See this one. Radius captured. Yeah. And Z. Solid mode. Give it this one. Try a different color. So I'm going to keep it green. Metallic. Roughness. Low. Reduce it. Okay, this one. New. Give it a different color. Pink. Metallic. Okay, the last one. Different color. Right. Okay, once you're done, okay, Z render mode. Okay, these are our ice creams. Sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, because your subscription really means a lot as you give me confidence in this world of creativity. Thank you. This is the end of my video. This is the end of my video. Make sure you give a like and you subscribe. Thank you for watching.